Hello, this is Warren from Apollo Tech Support once again. Just a quick demo on the Apollo call point. So as you can see, we've got a call point back box installed there, and we're just going to add, and you'll see on the loop tester here, some of the other devices that we've already got in the circuit, optical and a heat. And we've addressed this call point to number 4, so the 7 bits for the address. The 8th bit, which is the 128 bit, we don't need, so we switch that upwards because that's on and 0. And the last separate bit is the XP95 core protocol switch, which we've switched upwards. So we'll just connect that in. Okay, and you can see that all the rest of our devices have now appeared on the loop tester. Okay, so, and we'll simply slot the call point into the back box and click it on. If we want to take it off again, we just use the white key in the reset mechanism, turn it anti-clockwise, push down, and we can release the call point from the back box. If we want to test the call point, we just activate it, and you'll see on here it will turn red, and normally the panel would then send a command to that device to switch its LED on, which we can do. And we've got an analog value of 64, which is fire. And then we would just reset it thus. And normally the panel would then reset and switch off the LED, and we're back to an analog value of 16. And we're back to normal. And then when we go back on to the polling screen, the red square will then turn green again. There we go. So that's our manual call point in action. And these days we'd also be fitting a plastic cover on the call point so that the call point is up to the BS 5839 Part 1 2017 standard if this is going on to a new system. So we would just separately get a plastic cover, put it onto the hinges on the side, and fit the plastic cover. So when we need to activate it next time, we just open up the cover and activate the call point.